Good afternoon. It's November the 20th, 2017, 3 days before Thanksgiving. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit and losses similar to those shown. So here we are on the Emini this morning. We had hoped to buy the 75, 77 level, raised it to 80 plus or minus. Our last trade of the day, we were long at 80.50 on a buy stop. Right in here, and then we disappeared. We just hold it as long as you could, and we got up to 84. So there was a couple of points there for you if you could have waited 3 or 4 hours. So very, very slow going. Just not a lot of volatility to work with. Looking at the F1 screen, lower high, lower low, but we definitely are dealing with a P. So the F2 screen will show buy it, the F1 screen will show sell it. So it's just like I said an hour or two ago. Close right here, we're selling 84s, 86s, 89.91. Sell 2. On the buy side, we'll try 75, 77. Probably have to adjust that higher tomorrow. Then 70, 72 for buy 2. Existing home sales, 5.44 million. Could come in higher than forecast. Looking at the note, outside day, trade it, the F1 screen, definitely a B right here. So first sell will be, we'll try 27s to 31s. With a question mark at 24. Then 3 to 7. That's kind of a stretch on the sell side. On the buy side, 17 to 21 buy 1. 9 to 13 buy 2. Looking at the bond, first resistance, make 28 to the buck, number 1, 3 to 7, sell 1, 11 to 15, sell 2. On the buy side, 16 to 20, number 1. 9 to 13 buy 1, 1 to 5 buy 2. Looking at gold, lower high, lower low, find a place to sell it. F2 will show the same thing. And first sell would be 78 to 80. Pretty aggressive. Then 83, 85 for sell 2. On the buy side, a little bit lower in London, so 70 to 72, buy 1. With a question mark at 74. And then 65, 67, buy 2. Looking at crude oil. Crude oil had a very, very strong rally into the close. Smoked me. Higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it. Probably putting all that together in one great big P. And we have a P put in backwards on crude oil. That's short covering. So we've got a seller, 57. We got a buyer at 55. We rejected prices below 55, 56. Looks like 55.90, 56 would be support and resistance. Rejected prices at 75. So first sell is going to be 50 to 75. 57, 57 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, 56, 55, 75, buy 1. May take a quarter to get into. That was the last rotate down. And then 55 and a quarter, 55, 50, buy 2. And looking at the euro, lower high, lower low on F1, find a place to sell it. Yes, it is that simple. A lot goes into lower highs that subsequently produce lower lows. Okay, pretty clean break in the market here at 75. We're at 49, so 65, 75, sell 1. 90 to the buck, sell 2. On the buy side, 25 to 35, buy 1. 117 even, 117.10, buy 2. That does it for this November 20th, 2017. Be after it again tomorrow morning, bright and early. We had a good day in the markets we covered today, so our early calls were spot on and we're able to make some good money in crude real time. So that worked. See you bright and early in the morning, and Kevin, I'll get back to you with a phone number momentarily.